Welcome to Logical Ayurveda. Today, let us discuss about a very common medicinal formulation used in Ayurveda, that is Shatavari Gula. As we know, Shatavari is a wonder drug in Ayurveda which can be used in multiple disease conditions, but it is most commonly used in gynecological diseases. Now we'll see what are the key ingredients of this formulation. As the name suggests, Shatavari and Gula are the main ingredients of this formulation. The actual textual reference of this formulation is available in Sahasrayogam Leha Prakarana. Now we'll see what are the guna karma of this formulation. The drugs Shatavari and Gula both are Madhura, Snigdha, Sheta in nature, and they are having the property of Rasayana, Mutrala, Balya, Stanyajanana, Raktastambhana and Shukrala. Now let us talk about where we can prescribe this formulation Shatavari Gula. Mainly in case of abnormal uterine bleeding, that too which are chronic in nature, we can prescribe Shatavari Gula here. Because there will be severe bleeding and there will be loss of strength in the body of the patient also. So this formulation helps in stopping the bleeding as well as giving the strength to the body. So we can prescribe this formulation here along with some other Raktastambhaka dravyas also, like Pushyanuga Churnam, Lodrasava, Ashokarishta, etc. In the treatment of leukorrhea also, Shatavari Gula is very much helpful. Already we have done video on leukorrhea, so you can go and check in our video list. So in the case of leukorrhea, it can be prescribed along with Musali Kadiradi Kashaya, Guduchadi, Bala Guduchadi Kashaya, etc. Shatavari is having Stanya Janana property, so it helps in Stanyakshaya patients, that is reduced breast milk conditions. So in case of Stanyakshaya, Shatavari Gula can be given with milk and it can give excellent result in this condition. Another condition where Shatavari Gula works is chronic urinary tract infection. Here also Shatavari Gula works wonderfully because Gula, which is a key ingredient of Shatavari Gula formulation, which is also a Mutrala Dravya, so which helps in treating chronic UTI. It can be given along with Brahatyadi Kashaya, Chandra Prabhavati, Gokshuradi Churna, etc. In the conditions of male and female infertility also, this Shatavari Gula can be prescribed. Why? Because Shukrala, Balya, Vrishya and Rasayana action of Shatavari, which helps in sperm production and also helps in proper conception. And in case of recurrent abortion in female also, this Shatavari Gula is helpful because I have already mentioned it is having the Rakta Stambhaka property. Shatavari Gula can also be prescribed in generalized body weakness as it is Rasayana and Balya in nature, so it nourishes the dhatus. So in that condition, Shatavari Gula can be prescribed. Now coming to the Anupan of the Shatavari Gula, it is taken along with milk. In many of the conditions, it is taken along with milk. Milk is the Anupan of the Shatavari Gula. We have seen so many indications of Shatavari Gula. Now coming to the contraindications, that means where we cannot prescribe Shatavari Gula is, since this formulation is Shita, Snigdha, Madhura, Guru in nature, it can create Ajirna in some patients. If the patient's Agni is not proper, patient may be having Mandagni or Vishamagni, so on. In such condition, it cannot be given. Or in case of Jwara also, it cannot be prescribed. Now with this, let's conclude about the formulation Shatavari Gula. Hope this video was informative. Thank you.